So here is how we can use the 0.5x camera on the iPhone. Let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and we can get us started. So at first, it heavily depends on the model that you are using. This is, for example, an iPhone 15. The point is that most iPhones, whether you have the base device or the Pro model, they are going to feature the ultra-wide camera lens. But some devices like the iPhone 16e or iPhone Air, or some of those models, even the 17e recently released, well, these devices don't really have the 0.5x ultra-wide camera lens. It's simply not part of the physical setup. So yeah, you need to pay attention to the phone. But as long as you have it, you should be able to go to the camera app, right? And if you are in the main photos mode or in the main video mode, you can see that above the shutter, we have the ability to change the lens. So you can see we have the 1x zoom, which is the default one, but you can also click on the 0.5 as such, and it's going to zoom it out, and it is now using the 0.5 camera. So you can now capture stuff, whatever, and it's in like a different zoomed out mode. You can of course switch back to the 1x or even zoom in to 2x, but you can as well go in between those modes, because you can grab it like this and move it back and forth. So you can see that right now I'm using the 0.7x zoom, right? I'm between the 0.5 and 1. So that's like a nice way, and it gives you plenty of control. Another thing which I would really want to talk about is that on these devices, like on the iPhone 15 or whichever model you have, it would make sense to figure out which of the camera lenses on the back is actually the ultra wide one. So as you can see, if I'm on the 1x zoom mode and I need to actually cover and decide or actually figure out which one of them is the 1x and which one is 0.5x, because 1x is actually this one, and you can see that if I cover the lens, the 1x doesn't work, right? So I'm covering this lens, and the 0.5x is actually this other camera right there. So if I cover this one, it is not visible, right? So that's the point which I'm trying to make, that if you are focusing on capturing shots with the 0.5, you need to know which one it is on your phone specifically. So perhaps you want to clean it, or use it the way that you would want it. So that's something that I just wanted to show you in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.